Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to set up Gold V2Ray with WireGuard settings for secure browsing. Whether you're looking to enhance your online privacy or simply want a reliable VPN solution, this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. First, open any browser on your device and search for Gold V2Ray. Press enter to see the search results. From the list, find and tap on the official Gold V2Ray link to proceed. Once you're on the page, locate the download button. The download should only take a few seconds, and once it's complete, tap on the install button to launch the VPN. You'll then be directed to the home screen of the VPN app. Before we proceed, we need to create a server. To do this, leave the app and open Google Chrome or any other browser. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press enter. From the search results, tap on the official UDP Custom website. This will take you to the homepage where we'll start creating the server. On the homepage, tap on the hamburger icon to reveal different menus. From the list, select SSH servers. Next, you'll see a submenu with various options. Scroll down and tap on WireGuard VPN to continue. On the next page, you'll find an account form. Enter a name for your server, complete the reCAPTCHA, and then tap the Create button to start the server creation process. Wait a few seconds for the server to be created. Once it's ready, copy the server details and return to your mobile home screen. Open the VPN app again, and on the home screen, you'll see a plus icon in the corner. Tap on it to proceed. You'll now see a list of different protocols. Since we're using WireGuard, you can either manually select the server or tap on Import from Clipboard to import the server details. Once the server is successfully imported, tap on the configuration to select it, and then tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. You can also check the VPN speed by tapping on Test Speed. If you want to save this configuration for later use, tap on Share, and then Export to Clipboard. And that's it! You've successfully set up Gold V2Ray with WireGuard settings for secure browsing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.